All right, next thing we're going to be discussing here is cross sections. As the definition says, a cross section is the shape we get when cutting straight through an object. It is like a view into the inside of something. So just imagine like you're cutting something open with a knife and you take it apart and you look at the inside. Like say you cut an orange in half and you look at the two halves. What's the shape you see on the inside? If it's an orange, since it's circular, you're going to see a circle. You know, but if it was a different type of shape of fruit or something like that, you might see something different. Depending on the angle at which you cut through something, maybe it's not a perfect circle. Imagine if you cut a hot dog at an angle. Maybe the slice, it's not going to be a circle, it's going to be an oval. And so you can have the same sort of situation with some other different objects when you cut through them at different angles. And so that's the thing that we're going to be discussing here today. All right, so you see different objects there, but we'll get more into it as we look at some of the different, these are different shapes that you probably need to know. And you can look a little bit closer at them on your own, but let's go to the next slide here. Okay, now, the big thing they like to talk about, when you can read this, a plane is a flat surface that goes on forever in all directions. The figure at the right shows rectangle ABCD. Line segments AB and DC are coplanar because they lie in the same plane. They're also parallel because they will never intersect, no matter how far they are extended. Just as two lines in a plane can intersect or be parallel, there are different ways that planes may be related in space. And so sometimes when we're going through the discussion of cross sections, a plane is kind of like, saying, hey, maybe that knife's edge as it goes through something. And so these planes are going to be intersecting with the different objects to produce the cross section that you got to be able to determine what the shape of the cross section is going to be. All right, next slide. All right, so we see intersection cross section here. So if we look at this, right, when the cross section is going straight down through, it's a triangle. When we come through this rectangular pyramid, we're going to see that on the angle here, it's going to be more of a trapezoid. And I have a little applet coming up here that's going to actually show that a little bit better. If it goes straight through, coming straight up, straight down, you get a square. And again, I have an applet coming up to help you work with that. So here's one applet. This one, when you manipulate it, when you go on this video here, you'll see me moving this plane up and down, and you see what the cross section, the inside here would be the cross section of what's happening. When I go to the next slide here, you'll see one where I again manipulate it again. So this time I'm moving the plane at different angles. And this is how I said before, if you have an angle here, notice how it's a trapezoid. It's a trapezoid inside there. The last thing, okay, a couple problems here. Again, just to get you ready for some of the problems, again, you have a cone, you slice through it, you see cross section is going to be an oval. You have a rectangle, you cut through it, it's going to be a rectangle. A cylinder, if you cut straight down through it, or anything going straight up and down, it's going to be a rectangle. Likewise, cutting through a rectangle, it's going to be another rectangle. Now let me go back here for a second here. I'm not sure if I can show a video inside a video. And so I'm kind of curious to see if I can do a video inside a video. And so let me see if I can open a video inside a video. Oh, wow, I can open a video inside a video. Okay, here's another one. Watch out. I'm going to bring the plane up. So that's kind of unique. Through the object. So you see me moving it up. Straight up from the bottom to the top. But you can check that on your own. All right, let me exit out of here. Close that part out. Rectangle, right? Rectangle. All right, so we're back to here. Yeah, I know, you guys saw Super Dave. I like watching Super Dave. Well, I guess that's the big thing for right now. You guys take this all in and then do your practice problems. All right, remember to look at the different applets, the two different videos there. And that was pretty cool. I did a video inside a video. All right, have a nice day.